You ended it and you still went back. Not because something changed, but because something in you didn't. You told yourself it was over. You can see the light now, but you still returned to the darkness you came from. It's never been about her. It's always been about how you felt when she wasn't around. The silence, the absence, the withdrawal. You weren't missing her. You were missing the feeling. So you go back, not to fix the relationship, but to relieve the feeling. And for a moment, it works. Until everything that made you leave is still there. Why you went back, even when things had ended, isn't because that specific relationship was right, but you never succeeded from detaching yourself from how it made you feel.